It's going to Christmas la. Then he needs to say, thank you, Daddy, help me, Daddy. Not here, not in this house.
Not now.
No. I want no Muslim. I couldn't do that.
Don't insult people.
They've already insulted your mother. I'm just paying back the favor. I want Muslim. I want Muslim. Yeah, I want Muslim.
Na babaru.
Muslim, I want Muslim. Muslim.
Oh, ma'am.
Hey.
They bring.
I want Muslim.
Ma'am, Obano road.
Washona kanjani lo baba lo baba la washona kanjani washona lapho lo baba lo
Mina ngiyaqala.
What did you type?
Bona ufuna ukushone lapha.
Hayi kulungile
Ngoba niyafana.
ngilobolile kodwa
Niyafana naye welobolile. Tshela uba uhamba naye.
Fine. No, it's not going to stop, Tracy. It's not going to stop.
Uthi njani? Shone
It's not
lapha.
going to stop. No, Tracy. You were at home just now. Suddenly, you see Mr. Lorenzo, I went. Oh, ban love.
Did I not call you?
Oh, ban love.
Did I not call you?
Say what?
Mina ngikhuluma nawe.
Fine. Hit the girl. Give me my boy. Give me my boy. Fair enough. Just give him my boy.
He's sleeping.
Yes, he's sleeping because he doesn't know his dad is outside.
I'm not going to wake him up because you're
But you
outside.
can wake him up.
You will see him in the morning.
No. Only way I live here is under arrest. I'm not leaving. I'm within my rights. I'm not getting over the case of kidnapping. You're keeping my kids. You are willfully keeping my kids away from me. Willfully keeping my kids away from me. Look at this.
Felix Hassan.
Ngeke zingahambe ngawo. Ngeke zingahambe.
Mina ngizobala asambe se police station sovula icala.
Angindawo nawe ma, angindawo nawe wena usikhombisa umama ngemama. Umsangano nje bomama, umsangano nje bomama.
Cha vele ufuna labo mama uzowaphepha utshwala.
Whatever yenze kuwena ifanele. Yeah.
Nawe lesazokwenzela kufanele. Wena uyini? Kona uyini? Ngomuzi nje ngebond.
Ukazi yini mina?
Ngebond.
Yini zonke mina mucabanga sana. Ukazi wenza.
Ngoba wena wakho ungebond lo.
Yes, exactly. How convenient. It's fine.
It's not convenient.
What did I say? How did I swear it? What did I say?
It's on the voice note that you said.
I said he's a piece of shit, is what I said to him. Because he's never showed up for you. He's never showed up for your lobola, for your marriage, for your umembeso, for umkhetlo. He was never there. Angambesa wahandisele ekhaya kubo impahla. He's a deadbeat dad. He's a good for nothing dad. He's not like a dad like me fighting for his kids. He's never fought for you. He's a piece of shit. He doesn't have, he's illegitimate to ask me to come and meet with him at his family house or wherever, to meet with them to discuss in marriage now. I'm going to come again.
I will bring them in the morning, not when you like this. Just
No.
go home.
Tracy,
Just go home.
why is that, my love? Why is that?
No,
Why is that?
not when you like this, Felix. I've told you this before. Not when you like this.
Like, what are you afraid I'm going to do, Tracy? Honestly. If you say I'm like this, it means what? I'm a threat?
No, I never said
There's
that.
threats of violence?
That's a conversation
Your
that-
mom is here coming to claim you against the hold that these people have over
don't
you.
have a hold over
These people have a hold over you, Tracy. You came to get your kids here. It's 3 times now. It's 3 times.
Is that not idea enough that I'm not ready?
To what? To come home? It's fine. That's your feeling. As a parent, I have a right to have my kids at home for Christmas Eve. And we went and bought what, 10,000? 10,000 we bought for kids.
Subscribe to this channel.